with a double bottom here after a double top. A double bottom would be extremely bullish. Boom, boom, go. We're going to take a look at the RSIs here and see where this thing is possibly headed to. All right, over here on the Fear and Greed Index, down at 29. In fear, almost to extreme fear here. Yeah, usually good things happen around this area. When nobody's expecting it, usually something will pop. Hopefully it's the Russell, right at a 702 right now, right at a 702 retracement. We get a break of this, and the party started. So I am keeping a very close eye on this thing. Right back up there again. You want to see something else more exciting? Look at a weekly RSI. Bullish, 48 and 35. Right down here, head to the upside. So go Russell. We need that breakout. Every time the Russell is broke, we've had bull runs. Here's 2013. Here's 2017 right here, and here's 2021 right up through here. So looking for that 702 break of this Russell so we can get this party started. All right, Trump over here. Trump says it plan to make U.S. the crypto capital of the planet, coming within hours. All right, that was out at 11 o'clock this morning. He told his 90 million followers on X that he will lay out a plan to ensure the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet later on Thursday. How about that? Let's listen to this once real quick. We'll play it. I'm kind of curious. Come on. Maybe it has to open up another page here. Watch now. Well, maybe it won't play. I apologize. I thought it would. I thought we could actually see this. Crypto's election influence. Crypto companies outspend big oil and banks in 2024 elections. That's pretty crazy. Crypto has donated, I think, about 130 million so far. That's more than any corporate spending out there. So that's pretty crazy. Trump's organization's new crypto platform, which has just been rebranded from the Defiant Ones to World Liberty Financial. I'm sure the coin will be WLF. So keeping an eye out for that. That is for sure. I want to see this thing pop. I'm sure it's going to. You know what I mean? The key is being in right on the bottom floor. That's where you want to be with these things. So I'm keeping an eye out for that. I don't know if it interests any of you, but I'm sure it's going to make a decent run. All right, now that's not financial advice. Don't want to get caught with that. Now with Bitcoin here, we were trading this yesterday over in Discord. We said if it broke through the 618, it was going to go. Sure did. Ran up pretty nicely here. Now this is on the daily chart. We take a measurement of this. What have we hit here? You guys have watched this channel now. That's 702 Fibonacci. All right, so does this turn into a big ABC? I think that is going to be answered pretty soon here with this move. We either have to break through 63.8 or we could be getting a big ABC pattern here. I don't want to see that come in, obviously. Nobody does. All right, we have this, what this line is here, is this long-term support line here. Maybe it's going to come down to it. Let's get this stuff off here so you can see there. There you go. If we have an ABC in here, it would be right back down to this lower support line, which that could happen. All right, the weekly's bullish, a 20 and a 16. That's fantastic. The monthly, 55 and a 61. Well, bearish, got lower highs here. You see here, this high. We have a lower high right here. It's bearish divergence. All right, we want to see a higher high come in on this RSI, but that's on the monthly chart. The daily coming down. All right, so the key is with Bitcoin, like I said, could have a 1-2 started here. We'll have to see. It's stopped right at about a 618, right around that 618-702 area for a pullback. The big key is 64,000 bucks. We break through that, and this thing could get going. The Russell is the big one. Also, that's the big deal right now. If you zoom in on Bitcoin, you can see a 5 pattern coming in here. So in a 15 minute. That's why I have this alarm set. Yeah, you can see it has probably one more push down in here. Maybe down to 58,000, right around there, and hopefully that is a bottom area, and we can get going. All right, the 15's bullish. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth wave down. Over on Myro, we talked about this bottom right down here yesterday at 6 cents. Need to hold that for sure. All right, do we come in here and double bottom on this thing? That's a very good possibility. There's bottom one over here. Does it come down and touch again and have a double bottom, and then we rip out of here? That would be incredible. Love double bottoms. All right, but if it loses 6 cents, watch for 4 to come in. Looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a fifth wave now down to this bottom. So pay very close attention to 6 cents. Just a hair above. 6.615, and it's a very. If you measure this out, if this is a fifth wave coming in here, look at that. Measures right to the bottom. A 1618. That's 6157. Right to that bottom. Could be a double bottom coming. I might take a shot at a long here if it comes down here and actually hits. The 4-hour RSI is bearish. 8-hour bullish right at the bottom. 12-hour looks good. A 6 and a 5, it's bullish. Your 1 hour almost reset, still coming down. 7 and a 24. The 30-minute is bullish. 15-minute is bullish. All right, so like I said, that 0.0615 right down here, huge level to hold. If it loses that, it's going down to 4 cents. If it bounces off this 0.0615 and we get a double bottom, this thing could really start ripping out of here. That's for sure. Love double bottoms. All right, your 3-day and your 5-day. Let's take a look at how much they've changed. Bullish on the 3-day. 3-day looks great. And your 5-day. I'm sorry, that was the weekly. Weekly's bullish. That's a good one. 3 and a 2. That's the big one. And the 5-day. It looks good. All these look good. Your bigger time frame. So could be getting a decent push here out of Myro. If that Russell breaks, man, look out. That crypto's gonna go fast and hard. This thing will rip right out of here and go. Everything will. All right, thank you guys so much. Keep an eye on that 0.0615. If we hold there and it bounces, that's very good for Myro. All right, if we lose that, we got some downward movement yet, down to about 4 cents, and hopefully that should bottom out there. That would finish. If this fifth wave is coming in that we talked about, I don't know, maybe a week ago now. All this time has gone by here once we measured this out, but it came right back up to the same high here, all right, and it got rejected. If it holds right here, we're going to bounce nice. If it breaks, 4 cents, and then we'll bounce. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you very soon. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come trade with us. Level 3 membership. Sign up for it. And, it's $15. You get a bunch of videos to watch to learn how to start charting, and link to the Discord. Have a great day, everybody.